Hello guys, in this video I will show you a website. Let's say it is a trick to find the best color combination and best color trending for each year, each seasons and so on. It's great for your project, it's great for freelancing, it's great to promoting, or let's say providing or just suggest with friends or freelancers that need to this one. All what you need to go, which is going to the browser, then go press colors like this, and then this link is the right destination of our project. So here guys, you need to explore or start the generator. Let's explore first. So the exploration will give you the best trending colors that you need to do on your website, on your project, that you can inspire here with the reviews and so on it. You can inspire from this, or you just need to go from star generator, and it will give you the best generation for the colors and so on. You can change, you can give the color information, the blue one, how it is used, the full information of the colors and so on. uh, I'm sure that this video will help you really a lot. You will have a lot of services here: color picker, construct shaker, and so on. It's really help your project. I hope it is worth for you guys. Enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel, like and share. Peace.